Sika BlackSeal Elastic is a brand's appraised, flexible paint-on membrane for waterproofing the exterior of below-ground basement walls in residential buildings. It's the only brand's appraised paint-on waterproofing membrane on the New Zealand market, and we think it's easily the best. But there are other bitumen-based paint-on products on the market, so we took samples of BlackSeal Elastic and a competitor's product into the Sika laboratory and put them through a few simple tests. Flexible test. The first test was very straightforward. A flexible below-ground waterproofing membrane should be, well, flexible. So any movement from ground settlement or general subsidence doesn't split the membrane and allow water through. No problem with the BlackSeal Elastic sample. It can accommodate a fair bit of flexing. But as for the other product, well, let's just hope the ground never moves if you use it. Stretch test. The next test was to see what stretch or elasticity these two products have, and to do that we painted 2 coats of BlackSeal Elastic onto a piece of elastic. Then we stretched it, simulating the kind of movement you would easily get if there was any significant ground settlement. BlackSeal Elastic stretches fine, the membrane stays intact. But as for the other product, well, even after 2 coats, there is no way it was going to stop water, that's for sure. Water test. And now, the final test. What if, after a few days of heavy rain, the ground stayed waterlogged for a while? A typical Kiwi winter, you could say. We took a sample of BlackSeal Elastic and the competitor's product and put them both in jars of clean, fresh water, and then left them. After 5 days at 20 degrees Celsius, the water in the BlackSeal Elastic beaker was still as good as clear, but the other product was clearly deteriorating. And the longer we left it, the worse it got. After 15 days, we gave them both a good shake. Then took the BlackSeal Elastic sample out. As expected, it was still intact and still flexible. But as for the competitor's product, it had pretty much turned to mud. For a waterproofing product, it sure didn't seem to like water. So the moral of the story is, how can you be sure the below-ground waterproofing product you choose for your home won't let you down once the backfill is in and the rain starts pouring down? Easy. Just make sure you use the only brand's appraised, bitumen-based paint-on waterproofing membrane on the market, Sika BlackSeal Elastic. How to apply Sika BlackSeal Elastic correctly. To watch a short video showing how easy it is to apply Sika BlackSeal Elastic correctly, visit the Sika New Zealand channel on YouTube, or talk to one of the waterproofing experts at Sika New Zealand.